Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back to Jasmy update today. So I don't know what Jasmy is really doing right now, but there are some few problems still right here for Jasmy. So number one is that there's a very tiny bearish divergence here, like the price is moving down and you have this sideways movement. Yeah, so there's a little bit of that regular bearish divergence right there, which is actually important for me to mention. Number two is that as per my second checking, first of all, I want to go into the daily and tell you something here. So on the daily time frame, if you look at it, I kind of like this pattern where you had this kind of a rounded bottom, you broke above, you came for the retest, and you're jumping off to go to this technical target of 0.07156. Now there are two ways to look at Jasmy at this point of time. Number one is a double top, which is this first top and that potential second top right there get rejected and then go down because you also have a regular bearish divergence, right? The second way to look at it is that, yeah, this is a pattern, you broke above, you came for the retest, and it's time to go to the upside. Now the question is, which are you going to pick? Which are you going to pick? Now, there is no certain answer, but my favorite part, and I'm not trying to even sound like a moon boy, is that since you have more data, always take the more data you have, not the less data you have. Now, if you take these few candles, yes, it does look like a double top. Of course, on paper, it does look like a double top, right? But the data that you're taking is so less. This is a data from 11 November until 5 December, almost like a 25-day data. But the data that I'm taking comes in from May 2023, which is 7 months of data here, right? So I like the fact that I take more data because this one tells a better story than this less data right here. So the market maker or whoever's making the chart pattern spent a lot of time building up this, which cannot be ignored, of course, right? So I personally like this move up, and I kind of believe that it's almost like a rounded bottom right here, break above and move to the upside. So I don't know if it's a rounded bottom or a saucepan bottom. So let's actually go here, and I'm going to do I think it's like something like a saucepan bottom. I don't know, because the saucepan is quite flat. Okay, now I want to show you a saucepan. So you see the area of a sauce is it's not really rounded. It's actually a little bit curved like this. Okay, a little bit curved. So for the pattern, I don't know what's the name of that. I just forgot the name of that. But anyways, the thing is, you do get the idea. It's almost like a saucepan where you just go down, you're a little bit curved here, and then you move sideways, and then you bend a little bit like that. So it's almost curved like a saucepan. Do you see that? Right, like this. So this information is much more better than having an idea that this is going to be your stop, your double bottom. Double top right there. Okay, so that's it for this update on Jasmy. Now let's say Jasmy in the future does come down to 0.004472. Then yes, at that point of time, this thing goes out of the window, right? No sauce bottoms, no nothing. So we don't see Jasmy coming down like this and take out that stop loss. If you do come down and take the stop, I personally believe it's game over from that point. And that's it for this quick update on Jasmy. Like the video if you enjoyed, and I'm going to see you with the next one. Allah Hafiz.